Want to learn how to draw the Swiss flag? I'll show you how step by step. Let's draw together. Draw a straight line for the pole. You can use ruler if you want to. Draw a second line. And then we can draw a circle on top. Now, instead of just drawing a straight rectangle flag, we're going to draw a flag that is waving in the wind. So we're going to start drawing the first half by drawing an arch line. Then the second half is going to come down kind of like a letter U and back up. Then we're going to draw a straight line for the right side of the flag. And then for the bottom of the flag, we're going to draw a line that parallels the top line. So we're going to start here, and we're going to start by going down, come back up, and then we're going to draw kind of an arched line to finish it off. Now, a Switzerland flag has a white cross in the middle. We don't want to just draw a straight cross because then it won't look like it's waving in the wind. So when we draw the cross, we want to draw the horizontal part following the wave of the top and the bottom of the flag. So let's go ahead and start by drawing the vertical part of the flag of the cross first. So we're going to draw a straight line for the top half. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line for the top. And then we're going to draw another vertical line for the side. Notice that that side comes down a little bit further than the left. Now, for the horizontal side, we're not going to draw a straight line. We're going to draw a waved line that follows the top of the flag. So we're going to draw a slightly curved line like that. Now, for this side, we're going to follow the top of the flag on this side, which is more of like a rainbow or an arch. Okay, we've drawn the hardest part. Now we just kind of follow all of our lines. So let's draw a straight line on the right and a straight line on the left. And then we're going to follow this line for the bottom, follow this line for the bottom. Good. And now we're just going to draw this part, the bottom half of the flag, of the cross. So two straight vertical lines. And then this bottom line is going to follow the bottom of the flag. And that's it. All right. So pretty simple, but makes it look a lot more advanced when we draw it waved. Let's go ahead and speed it up and color it in. If you liked this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.